here, back with some Dominion. We got baths, camel, goat herd, butcher. Stockpiles are going to run, cities are going to be important, hagglers are going to be important. Probably black cats will be really good. Like I'm thinking we'll want to, oh, and we'll also need to trash. So we'll probably want to, I don't know if we want to open goat herd. We probably want to open stockpile. If our opponent gets a goat herd, we'll pick up a goat herd. We'll also eventually pick up a butcher. I wonder if the cities or the idols will be more important. Like probably the cities, but it's close. We'll be able to butcher coppers and estates into black cats, which I think will be pretty good. I mean, it's probably not close actually with the idols. I don't think you'll be able to give enough curses with the idols fast enough for it to be worth it. If these were witches, you know, you'd want to get like one city, then two witches, and then empty cities, something like that. But they're idols, so that's not what you want to do. I think here we get a butcher. Yeah, here we get a butcher. You open Mountain Village. That seems not great. Maybe just stockpile, or City Village Black Cat. I mean, City Black Cat. But I think just getting as many stockpiles as we can is pretty good. Like here we could even consider double stockpile again. That might be a bit greedy. You take 2 VP over like a goat herd? You don't have any trashing set up yet. I'm taking 2 more stockpiles. Here we'll butcher the estate into a black cat, and we'll take, and using the coffers, we'll take a city and a stockpile. If there are stockpiles left. Which there should not be. You should definitely take the last stockpile. You took a haggler, dude. Great. All right. Well, I think we're in good shape. Here, I think we spend the coffer and go city stockpile. I mean city black cat. Maybe we don't get the black cat. The haggler is pretty good. I think we don't get the black cat because we'll be butchering estates into black cats. And I think holding on to the coffer is more important than getting on a black cat. But black cat's not great for our deck right now because, well, it probably would have been fine. But if you play a black cat and draw a city, you're kind of sad. And having 2 and 2 is like makes it a higher likelihood of that happening. You're going for gold. Sure. Okay, here we have 11. Here we could go city black cat. I think it's good. We will have to start thinking about money soon. Like we'll probably camel stuff as well, but I think we want a higher city density. We could honestly consider getting another butcher, but I really just think we want to get our draw up. Like butcher would help with that. Could go city butcher black cat. Again, I worry about the terminal space, so let's go city black cat. And take it from there. Here we'll hit 8. Honestly, I'm thinking city black cat. We could consider like Mountain Village, Black Cat, Black Cat. We could consider a haggler. Going like Province City here is really good, actually. Going Province City is really good. I worry that we're going to run out. You went for Animal Fair. I worry that we're going to run out of economy. We're going to hit 9 if we play both of these. Maybe now we want to start considering idols. I don't know. This is tricky, actually. I don't think we want to buy gold. That'd be premature, given that we haven't exiled any golds yet. Maybe we hold on to a stockpile and buy a city, and then we hold on to the stockpile so that, like, the stockpile, so that we can use the stockpile to go towards buying a gold once we've cameled a couple golds and once we're drawing better. So that we'll do that, and we'll just take a single city here. The alternative is spending it and picking up 2 black cats or doing like some of this stuff, but I still think the draw, like getting some semblance of draw, is more important than doing anything else. So I like this plan. I'm not like a huge fan of this plan, but I like it more than the alternatives. And again, I'm kind of shocked that you haven't gone for any trashing. These cities are going to turn into like super cards in a second. Definitely taking another black cat here. And I mean, these cities are about to give me plus dollars, so I mean, I gotta make sure I don't like lose on piles really fast, but you're gonna have an animal fair that will be really strong, maybe +2 buys, but you're not gonna have any draw. I don't. You will have this haggler. Maybe what I'm doing is super naive. I don't know. It would be very embarrassing to just like not have any econ, and you have 3 cities. Jeez. The haggler is coming through for you. In a city. Now you get you get an idol. I'm very pleased you gained the idol. I think you should have gone for the city. What do I know? Alright. I'm liking this for the most part. I could trash the estate into a haggler, draw the haggler, play the haggler. And go like province gold. And then exile out of golds. I like that plan. Let's go for it. And I could also consider trashing one of the black cats for an animal fair. I like not taking another city here because I don't want to give you the plus buy. Can I undo that? I think I do want to get the animal fair. Thank you for the undo. And I'll hold on to the stockpile, actually, because I don't need to spend it yet. Because I only have the 1 buy. Oh, no. I will need to spend it. Get 1 plus buy. Let's see, if I don't spend it, I'll have 4 plus 3. I could double province next turn. Okay. I changed my mind. It's now silly that I did not camel the black cat, but sometimes you make mistakes. And yeah, this is kind of what I was expecting to happen to your deck. You would have no draw. It's unfortunate that I have no black cats. That would be nice. Here, you didn't even play your Haggler, so you can't pick up the last city. You do get a black cat. I'm a fan of just leaving that city there, to be honest. Like, I'm not... The thing is, emptying the cities helps me so much more than it helps you, so maybe I should stop being coy. Like, maybe I should stop... that was silly. I should have butchered something into something first. Okay, let's play the Animal Fair. Let's take another black cat. Yeah. And let's haggle. And let's exile a gold. Was that silly? Should I have considered holding on to the black cat that I already trashed the black cat for the Animal Fair, but I bought another. And here I could go for province gold. Province gold and pick up like a mountain village that I can butcher into a city on my own turn. The only thing I worry there is that I won't have enough draw. I think it's okay. Discard from exile. Let's go mountain village. And a black cat. Alright, kind of sketchier. It'd be nice. Wonder if there would have been a way to seed that turn. Like, it would be nice to at least have a black cat in my hand. It's kind of frustrating that I do not. Please buy the city here. Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense for you to not want to buy the city. Gain a black cat and buy a province. Trash a gold. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. Yikes, I gotta watch out for piles. Okay, Jesus Christ. This has the potential to be a very bad situation. I imagine, like, you're not gonna, I don't think you can win here, and I think I'll give you 2 curses. Nice. So, you know, come on, buy your province, please. I probably have black cat density that's too high. But maybe it's the perfect black cat density for the situation. The situation being that I get to play him at a time like this. Okay, let's play a couple cities. Now let's pick up the Butcher. Right. Right. And now we can butcher a gold into a city. We could butcher a city into a city. Then playing the animal feral goes +2 by. I think we can win this turn if we do that. Yeah, and especially if we're going to draw a deck, we can win this turn. Nice. That's fine. So, yeah. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. That was I don't know. I don't feel like I played great because I just kind of spammed stockpiles and then I spammed cities and black cats. Then I realized piles were low, and then I fortunately didn't empty piles and I won. But yeah, it was a fun one.